Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your pets. In today's video, we are talking about the Pet MD Benzoyl Peroxide Medicated Shampoo for dogs and cats. If you're dealing with skin issues like dog acne, dandruff, or itchiness, this is the shampoo you'll want to try. Pet MD's Benzoyl Peroxide Shampoo is a highly effective solution for treating various skin conditions in both dogs and cats. This shampoo combines the power of benzoyl peroxide, micronized sulfur, and salicylic acid to target issues like scaling, itching, and follicular plugging. It's especially known for treating dog acne, which is a common concern for pet owners. The shampoo works by deep cleaning and degreasing the skin, flushing out pores, and removing oils that can contribute to skin irritation. This makes it an ideal choice for dogs and cats with seborrheic disorders, dermatitis, or folliculitis. The formula is gentle yet powerful, ensuring that your pet gets relief from discomfort without harsh chemicals. One of the best things about this shampoo is that it's soap-free, which means it won't strip away essential moisture from your pet's skin. It also contains skin moisturizers and deodorizers to keep your pet's coat fresh and clean. Plus, it has a light citrus scent, making bath time a much more pleasant experience for both you and your pet. Using this shampoo is simple. Just shake it well, apply it to your pet's wet coat, and work up a good lather. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For the best results, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week at first, and then reduce to weekly use once the skin starts to improve. Made in the USA and formulated in federally regulated manufacturing facilities, Pet MD's Benzoyl Peroxide Shampoo is a reliable choice for pet owners looking to improve their pet's skin health. So, if your dog or cat is dealing with acne, dandruff, or irritation, this shampoo may be exactly what they need. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest pet product reviews. See you in the next video.